Hi, I'm Cheryl Miller.
Hi, I'm Lisa Hammer.
And hello, I'm Paul Pickett, and this is my pet turkey, Henry.
Say hi, Henry.
Henry's a little camera shy. He's not going to say hi today.
We want to take this opportunity to thank you, our existing franchise store owners, as well as our new franchise store owners, for helping to make 2015 a year of growth and prosperity for the Wild Birds Unlimited brand.
In 2015, Wild Birds Unlimited received many honors and awards, including the #1 ranking for overall performance from Franchise Update at their Leadership and Development Conference.
And, even more importantly, we received the #1 ranking in our category of retail in franchisee satisfaction from Franchise Business Review.
We are so proud to serve you.
Be careful about saying served. Henry is not going to be served this year for Thanksgiving. He's got an annual pardon each and every year.
I am so sorry, Henry. Let me say that another way. We are so proud to work with you to discover the business that brings both joy and peace to you and your customers.
So happy Thanksgiving from everyone at Wild Birds Unlimited,
where we bring people and nature together.